Hi there, Liz Tomey here from backpackbusinesslifestyle.com, and tonight I want to explain how the social affiliate marketing business model works. This should be a super quick video because this is actually pretty easy. The doing of each thing is what takes time, okay? So basically is what we do is we create a blog and we create content that promotes products that we're an affiliate for, okay? This content also promotes anything that we're using to build our list. We put list builders on our blog too, but mainly the content promotes stuff that we're an affiliate for, okay? So all these little posts are going to be promoting different things that we're an affiliate for. You could have a whole ton of things that you're an affiliate for. I recommend at least 3 products, okay? So all this is pretty simple, right? A blog that promotes things that you're an affiliate for, and it also builds your list. So you're going to need to have, some kind of squeeze page. You're going to need to have a blog. You're going to need to have content. Before all that, you're going to need to know your niche. You're going to need to find products that you can promote as an affiliate. Now, how do we fuel all this? Because just because we get this part here going, if there's no traffic, then there's no money. And what I teach in this, and why I call it the social affiliate marketing business model, it's because all of our traffic comes from organic social media marketing, okay? This is not paid ads or anything like that. So you're getting traffic from YouTube to your blog and all of its content, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, even Reddit if you use Reddit. Now, do you have to use all these? Absolutely not. You could use just YouTube. You could use just Pinterest. You could use just Facebook. You could use just Instagram, just LinkedIn. Or you could use 2 or 3 of them, okay? It's all up to you. And I do, if you are just starting out doing this, I recommend that you just pick one at a time, get that traffic tactic working, then move on and have 2 of these. So you would have traffic tactic number 2. You would have 2 traffic tactics going here, okay? But all of this is taught in this workshop, the Social Affiliate Marketing Profits Blueprint workshop. We're going to be covering how to find a niche for this, how to find affiliate products for this, how to set up your blog for this, how to set up the list builders on your blog for this, how to set up a squeeze page, how to do your email marketing so that people that come here and they get on your list, you can send them to this content so they get in front of your affiliate links and you make money. We're going to go over how to get traffic on each of these networks, okay? So this is the entire business model. Blog content that leads to sales fueled by social media traffic. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I hope to see you inside the Social Affiliate Marketing Profits Blueprint workshop.